Today, our Kamaraj College Department of Commerce SF, in collaboration with Youth Red Cross, has organized one-day national level workshop on women empowerment in current business scenario on 5/4/2022 at 10:30 a.m. in our Golden Jubilee Block Seminar Hall. S. Kausalya, Advocate and Deputy Area Commander Home Guards, was the chief guest speaker for the program. She delivered the lecture to the students to shape their personality skills. She suggested many employment opportunities details to the students and how to apply jobs in repeated organizations. Mrs. A. Gomati, Assistant Professor, was welcomed the gathering. Dr. A. Arunachalarajan, Director of Self-Financing Courses, gave the presidential address, and Dr. R. Jayalakshmi, Assistant Professor, honored the chief guest. Dr. V. Gopalakrishnan, Head of the Department, introduced the chief guest. Dr. S. Lakshmi gave vote of thanks. And finally, feedback was given by our Department Youth Red Cross Coordinator, Mr. M. Thankajesu Satish. Most of ceremony was done by Ms. N. Janani, first MCOM student of our department. The program organized by the student coordinators, YRC coordinators, Mr. M. Thankajesu Satish and Mrs. E. Isakiyamal, faculty members and head of the department, by the help of our Kamaraj College management. Around 130 girls were actively participated in the event. Thank you.